Okay guys, what's up? Welcome to vlogtober day 16. It is October 16th today. It is Wednesday. I think for the rest of vlogtober, I'm just gonna vlog for like a week and then upload the video because I think that's how it's gonna work now. Same with Vlogmas, but I will be doing the countdown every day as a YouTube short until up to Halloween. And then same when I do Vlogmas. I think I'm just gonna do Vlogmas in weeks, and then I have an advent calendar that I will do every day as a YouTube short. So that's how I'm gonna do it for now on. So anyways, like I said, today is October 16th, and I just wanted to start the vlog out. Okay guys, so right now I'm getting out and I'm doing some laps around my backyard. For my workout, I'm doing a walk today around my yard. 10 laps, that's what I'm doing. So, here we go. Okay guys, so my walk was good. Glad I did a walk. I needed that. And yeah, so I will see you later on in the afternoon.
I hate that. Why don't I just get it started?
We're playing Roblox together. I'm playing on my extra phone. He's playing on the Xbox.
Hola!
He's a kid.
I'm gonna change my team.
Okay guys, welcome to vlogtober day 17. Today I'm going to be painting a pumpkin, but with a twist, and that is I'm going to be picking some paint out of this basket with my eyes closed. So we're going to see how it goes. So let's just rub you guys. Let's move this, and there we go. Okay. So I'm gonna pick my first color and I'm gonna close my eyes. So here we go. Oh, I've got orange. Okay, next color. Closing my eyes. Green glitter paint. So these are the two colors that I'm going to be painting my pumpkin with. Orange and green glitter paint. Okay, so I'm starting with orange first and then I'll do the green. So let's do orange first. So I think I'm gonna do some stripes. So I might have to do a second coat over the orange to make it a bit darker. Maybe. We'll see. See, this is what the orange is looking like. So I'm gonna continue painting this orange, the things that I need orange, and then I'll get back to you when I start green. Okay, the orange is good, so now I'm going to take the green paint, the green sparkle paint. And then we're gonna put it in this container. Like, oh my gosh. There we go. Okay. Yeah, now I have the green glitter paint, so let's get painting. Here's my brush for the green glitter, and here we go. I'm gonna kind of do the same that I did with the orange. So I'll be back when it is done. Okay, so here's my pumpkin, orange and green sparkles on it, and then up top I did some green sparkles up top, but that is my pumpkin, and I hope y'all enjoyed me painting my pumpkin. So that's it for Vlogtober day 17. I will see you tomorrow for day 18. Bye guys, see you tomorrow for day 18. So hey guys, I got 2 packages that I'm going to unbox. So let's start with this one. So this was in the little white package that I just opened. It was this Bucks hat to wear to the game next week. So that's package number 1. Now onto this package. Okay. So I got a pair of Uggs. So I got a pair of Uggs in black.